National Geographic Society has installed the world's highest weather station at how many meters of altitude? The right answer is option B, 8,830 meter. On the transaction of how much money in a financial year, Union government has made PAN or Aadhaar mandatory in case of cash deposit or withdrawal from 26 May 2022. The right answer is option C, 20 lakhs. When is International Biodiversity Day observed? The right answer is option B, 22nd May. World's longest suspension bridge, named Sky Bridge 721, has been opened for tourists in which country? The right answer is option C, Czech Republic. Who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of Infosys? The right answer is option A, Salil Parekh. US President Joe Biden has declared $40 billion financial assistance to which country? The right answer is option D, Ukraine. Anthony Albanese has become the new Prime Minister of which country? The right answer is option A, Australia. Which has become the first country in the world to make 21-day quarantine for monkeypox patient? The right answer is option D, Belgium. Who has honored India's 1 million all-women ASHA workers on 22nd May 2022 for their outstanding contribution to advancing global health? The right answer is option B, WHO. Which of the following football club has become the champion of Premier League 2021-22? The right answer is option A, Manchester City. Which Indian has visited Tokyo of Japan to participate in Quad Summit? The right answer is option B, Narendra Modi. When is World Turtle Day observed? The right answer is option C, 23rd May. Three municipal corporation of which city has merged on 22nd May 2022 into a single entity? The right answer is option D, Delhi. Which state government has made 33% reservation for women in all outsourced government job? The right answer is option D, Karnataka. Which state has partnered with World Economic Forum's Global Plastic Action Partnership to advance regional efforts to fight plastic pollution? The right answer is option A, Maharashtra. Which union minister has led the Indian delegation at the annual summit of World Economic Forum at Davos of Switzerland? The right answer is option C, Piyush Goyal. Who has been appointed as the new Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? The right answer is option B, Binay Kumar Saxena. Who has become the first cricket player to hit 700 fours in the history of Indian Premier League? The right answer is option C, Shikhar Dhawan. Which state has won the Hockey India Sub-Junior Women's National Championship 2022 in Imphal? The right answer is option B, Haryana. Who has become the champion of Spanish Grand Prix 2022 at Barcelona? The right answer is option D, Max Verstappen. According to recently released World Economic Forum's Travel and Tourism Development Index, India is at which rank? The right answer is option A, 54. Japan has topped in this index. Which has become the first Indian state to roll out drones in the healthcare sector? The right answer is option A, Uttarakhand. National Securities Depository Limited has launched Market Ka Eklavya Express in how many cities? The right answer is option C, 75. Which has become the first entity in India to trade domestic gas on Indian Gas Exchange? The right answer is option D, ONGC. Which union minister from India has addressed the 75th session of World Health Assembly at Geneva? The right answer is option C, Mansukh Mandavya. Who has launched Abha mobile application? The right answer is option B, National Health Authority. Historian and Professor A.R. Venkatachalapathy of which institute has been selected for Lifetime Achievement Award by the Canada-based Tamil Literary Garden? The right answer is option B, Madras Institute of Development Studies. Tedros Ghebreyesus has been re-elected as the next Director General of World Health Organization for how many years? The right answer is option C, 5 years. Dilip Kumar Patnaik has become the first person of which state to fly a Rafale fighter jet? The right answer is option A, Odisha. Indian Railways has collaborated with which IIT to develop India's first indigenous Hyperloop system? The right answer is option D, Madras. Including India, how many countries have joined in Indo-Pacific Economic Framework to counter China's economic dominance? The right answer is option B, 13. Fourth edition of State Level Sirui Lily Festival 2022 has started on 25th May in which state? The right answer is option C, Manipur. Union government has exempted custom duty and agriculture infrastructure development cess on 20 lakhs metric ton yearly import of crude soybean and which oil? The right answer is option B, sunflower. According to recently released WDMMA report, India has been placed in which position on the World Air Power Index? The right answer is option C, third. When is World Thyroid Day celebrated? The right answer is option A, 25th May. Who has become the first woman to be the combat helicopter pilot? The right answer is option D, Abhilsa Barak. Which state government has cancelled the Portapi Narmada river linking project after continuous protest from tribals? The right answer is option B, Gujarat. Finance Minister Suresh Kumar Khanna has presented a budget of 6.15 lakh crore rupees for the fiscal year 2022-23 in which state assembly on 26 May 2022. The right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Where has President Ramnath Kovind inaugurated the National Women Legislators Conference 2022? The right answer is option D, Thiruvananthapuram. Which IFS officer has been appointed as the private secretary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi? The right answer is option B, Vivek Kumar. How many medals have been won by Indian athletes in the first Bahrain Para Badminton International Championship 2022? The right answer is option D, 23. 7 gold, 3 silver and 13 bronze. Which state government has launched Sambhav portal to dispose public grievances? The right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Narinder Batra has resigned from his post as the chairman of which association? The right answer is option A, Indian Olympic Association. Retailio has launched new co-branded credit cards in collaboration with which bank? The right answer is option B, HDFC. State Bank of India has launched personal loan product Express Credit for salaried customers on its YONO digital banking platform without any paperwork. What is the highest range of this loan? The right answer is option C, 35 lakhs. In which state India's first Olympic values education program has been launched by International Olympic Committee? The right answer is option D, Odisha. Where has Indian Navy survey vessel Nirdeshak launched? The right answer is option B, Kottupalli, Chennai. Where has Union Minister Jitendra Singh inaugurated India's first Lavender Festival on 26th May 2022? The right answer is option A, Bhaderua of Jammu Kashmir. Who has inaugurated India's biggest drone festival namely Bharat Drone Mahotsav 2022 in New Delhi on 27 May 2022. The right answer is option D, Narendra Modi. Fintech startup Mahagram has partnered with which bank to digitize the country's payment ecosystem? The right answer is option A, IndusLand Bank. Who is the author of International Booker Prize winning novel Rath Samadhi, translated as Tomb of Sand by Daisy Rockwell? The right answer is Gitanjali Sri. Recently, which state has been given Scotch Award in education? The right answer is option A, West Bengal. India has signed an MOU with which country to establish a framework on climate action? The right answer is option C, UAE. Indian long jumper Murali Srishankar has won which medal in international jumping meeting in Greece? The right answer is option A, gold. Who has become the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest without supplementary oxygen? The right answer is Piali Basak of West Bengal. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more update daily current affairs. Don't forget to press the bell button.